It's currently 9:17 a.m. I'm on a train to Sacramento. Why? I don't know. Let's take a look around. Let's take a look at the seat. This nice table, this nice plastic table I'm on. This nice hot chocolate I have here. It's very nice, very hot. Let's take a look around. Let's take a look at the seat on the Capitol Corridor train. Let's take a look at the seat next to me. First things first, we have this little like thingy for your head. You have this headrest here, which is I can punch it. It's quite hard. Your seat back here, so you can see your back. There's the cat design here on the seat and the seat cushion, also the seat back here as well. On the wall there's a 120 volt plug. There was no plug for the aisle seat, only the window seat has a plug, so if someone's sitting in the window seat, I guess you got to share. In this window here, we see my camera, you will see shots from now. And there's a table seat, so we have more stuff here. I have my nice hot chocolate I got from the cafe. Reminders on Amtrak. You're still riding a train. It's still during COVID time, of course, so you gotta be safe. Keep your mask on. I have this nice mask. Reusable mask. Keep your mask on. Amtrak requires you have a mask on, so you don't get kicked off the train or anything. So let's keep the mask on. Do your part. Keep it safe. And I'll see you in the next shot, I guess, which is I don't know when. And just some general safety tips while running on any public transport. Always keep some hand sanitizer so you can clean your hands, which I will do now. And always to wear a mask too. It's a federal mandate to wear a mask on public transport. So if you're running on a Muni or BART, or in this case you're running a train like me, make sure that you gotta wear your mask. I have this nice reusable mask here. Any mask will do. Make sure it covers your nose and your mouth, and probably your chin too, so it doesn't just fall off. And yes, COVID's still a thing, but we can all do our part to keep everyone safe.
As we pull into Sacramento, I want to thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to scroll down and hit the like and subscribe buttons, as that is greatly appreciated. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed my review of Amtrak Capitol Corridor service, and have a great rest of your day.